Alrighty, day 5, part 2 of the Ford Ranger 3.0 V6 manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, driver's side floor pan patch repair. So this is number 2 of the using this Rust-oleum auto filler primer. I'm going to go down here. Go on a little bit more here. Switch hands here. I'm doing this one-handed. Slightly heavier coat here. When I go underneath, I'm doing this. I'm gonna do the same job. Ooh, this stuff is strong, strongy. Stuff is strong. I'm doing the same job underneath. And get this angle here. So underneath is going to be, I'm sorry, I probably said that 4 times, haven't I? It's been a long day. Anyway, underneath I'm doing the same treatment. Primer. And then I'll be throwing paint and sealer on it. Automotive sealer on the seams. So anyway, that's the end of number 2.